all-wheel drive, flex fuel. All the right ingredients. If you want an amazing deal on an amazing SU5 that will not break your pocketbook, then take a look at this gas-saving 2011 Ford Escape. This fuel-efficient Escape, with its grippy all-wheel drive, will handle anything Mother Nature decides to throw at you during one of her bad days at work. This Escape is nicely equipped with features such as all-wheel drive. It scored the top rating in the IIHS frontal offset test. Because we care about having you as a customer for life, at Kunes Country Ford of Antioch, pre-owned vehicles have been thoroughly inspected by our certified ASE technicians, and come with Kunes No Fear for a year certified warranty coverage. And at Kunes UGLL always get our live market-based pricing right.